For no problem. All units stand by. 70 receiving a 34 with a weapon, 1549 East 18th Street, 1549 East 18th.
Oh, Adam.
70 Adam.
Take the soldier 53. We'll take the 34. Do you have anything on that description?
Going back to apartment 3 Adam on the 4th floor. A female call says happened 5 minutes ago. Her husband was having a dispute with the neighbor. Husband stated that he was being attacked by the neighbor's dog.
All business condition.
10-5?
It sounds like 52. We'll check in the list.
10-4, arrive alive.
All business condition still is active.
10-4, arrive alive.
Trees.
10-4,
the numbers.
1549 East 18th Street, 1549 East 18th, cross of Avenue O and P. Going back to apartment 3 Adam on the 4th floor. Just on the 66 is holding 167 disabled vehicle, Bay Parkway and Avenue J, and the 70 is holding 3, 1010 missing.
6 boy.
66 boy.
Yeah, just add that to my queue. I'll handle on completion.
10-4, thank you. I was holding 3, a 1010 missing, Avenue K and East 15, 52 dispute, 2917 Kings Highway, and a 53 property, 833 Flatbush Avenue.
66 Henry.
66 Henry.
91. Requesting 63.
Henry, take me out time 1704.
RMP 5165.
66 RMP 5165.
To pick up a 53 Ocean Parkway, Avenue I is an Ida property only. I'll handle it. If you give it a sector, have them disregard.
10-4. 70 Adam.